The one thing that makes us leave the country, that is the salary. Salary, this is the main motivator. We leave our countries, we leave our families for the better opportunity and pay. And direct hire will pay you more. I don't even have to miss my word. Their rates are higher compared to the agency. Indirect hire, you working with the hospital, and it's the hospital that pays you. Thus, they're factoring in your years of experience. Unlike the recruitment agency, the pay is on the lower rate. The hospital pays them, then they decide on what to pay you. So, indirect hire, your pay stub or your pay slip comes from the hospital directly. While in nursing recruitment agency, they have your pay slip. The hospital pays them and they pay you. Does that make sense? You got it. For example, I have friends who are paid $50 and above in direct hire. And I've not encountered a person, but I've had some nursing agency pay nurses $22 an hour. Oh yeah, so you need to make a choice. But before you make that choice, listen to these other factors. And you have to factor in all these comparisons. So we are going to talk about overtime pay. When it comes to overtime pay, that is standard across board. It's going to be 1.5 times your regular hour pay. Once you hit your regular hours, you are either going to have a 36 or a 40-hour contract. Whichever it is, once you hit those hours, anything worked on top of 36 or 40 is going to be your extra hours. And you should be paid 1.5 times your normal hourly rate. Example, if you are earning $30, your overtime hour is going to be 45 hours. That is across board, whether with the nursing agency or the direct hire. We are going to talk about incentive. With the nursing shortage this country faces, the hospital at times pay incentive for nurses to pick extra shifts. With direct hire, you're entitled to these incentives because you're one of their employees. So whatever they're going to give their employees, if they have bonuses, if they have incentives, you will be entitled to them. While it comes to recruitment agency, it depends on the hospital agreement with the agency. Some do offer these incentives while some don't. I work with a nursing agency and trust me, I see the bonuses, I see the incentives, but I'm not entitled to them. Reason? I have no idea. I don't know the contract between my hospital and my nursing agency.